How to use Evernote templates. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you the steps on how you can easily use Evernote templates or how you can access them at all. Well, the process is simple. You can open up Evernote. I'm here on the desktop version evernote.com, but you can be on the application as well. However, once you're on the Evernote homepage and logged in, you can see the templates option towards the left hand side corner here. The templates, click on it. Once you click on it here, you'll be able to create your own templates. You can see I have no templates here whatsoever added. So you want to click on this blue template gallery option here. Once you click on it, you'll be able to find all the templates here. You can search in for it and you can start to search for templates. Then once you select a particular template, so I want to preview this template here, then I can proceed to tap on import template here. Once I like the particular template, I can proceed to click on import template and proceed to open on web or open in app. I'll click open on web and then proceed to here. If I'm already logged into my account, it'll log into my account and I'll start importing template, and now I can use the template. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.